Hello, my name is Al Glover. I just want to say that I'm enjoying Drone Command live. It's amazing. I'm having a great experience. It's really my first time in a virtual training like this, and the technology is amazing. I'm really enjoying the videos. The way you guys do your graphics and everything is just amazing. This whole presentation is gigantic. It's very good, and the enthusiasm level is very contagious. And I really enjoy the way the humor, the way you guys present it is really good, and I just really like everybody there. You can really feel the love and care for me and us as you're trying to help us go to another level in our life, and I appreciate that. Um, Thank you. Diego just did an awesome job. It's just amazing the dense information that they're giving you, rapid fire. But it's a good thing you've got the book to refer back to. It's so much information, so well done. I am absolutely thrilled that I got involved with Drone Boss. It's and they give you not only information for your business, but they give you information for life. And I had asked him yesterday in the VIP meeting, "What is your mindset?" And I just realized this morning they started it off. Everything they're teaching you is their mindset. This is what they think about. This is what they do. This is how they do it. So I just wanted to say I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Thank you. Hello, my name is Al Glover. I just want to tell you that I'm here at the Drone Boss Convention, virtual convention, Drone Command, and I have had amazing 3 days of nothing but the best training I think on the planet, and great presentation, great team. I'm now a member of the Sky Eye Network. You'll get into that when you go into the program, what that means, but it's like having a millionaire back your business, basically. But I enjoy it, and I'm enjoying this experience. Tomorrow, Monday, will be my first day. This is Saturday, and I just want to say thank you guys for everything. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is my drone I have right now. My son said throw it away. He has a DJI, but think this will be good to go. So I'm gonna give it a shot. And you know how dads are, so I'm gonna do that. And I just want to thank you guys again for everything, for everything. Really, I just can't thank you enough. I think my biggest thanks to you is my success, and I'm going for that. I will thank you. All right, thanks again. Bye bye.